Maling kungam sang ane tering ajo eukaryotic ki surface structure changare ane surface structure nane tangu de ngajo kar relana cilia koto cha. So cilia de paramecium de da cilia. And paramecium ki chilo line is nana chunjun den da. This is called as cilia. So cilia is a hair-like outgrowths of the cell membrane. Cell membrane ki chilo la ane dende hair ro push up the joint is chilo teng nana kiong start. This is called as cilia. Cilia are small structures which works like orb. Cilia di ane structure chunchun shan ko lea khato chorana tusingi tutaya da chuna tusing da la di gyukbash da dito lea chigre causing the movements of either the cells or the surrounding fluid. And this cilia di kachiglana yana cell dang and korangi tagola yogi and fluid dila movement cause chigre. And todo kalana cilia digi movement la ropachi piju rele chacha example di amuba di ro paramecium ro protista paramecium ki sola cilia to and cilia digi hair like structure re and which helps in the movements of the cells or the surrounding fluid. Next is flagella. So flagella nga jo eukaryotic na la flagella chaimba and thanishin ki flagella ki part sum filament hooked basal body line chaimba tadile this type your internal structure of flagella tadi eukaryotic cell of flagella to the flagella de to tadi ki nanglo structure chanan tinde yore. So flagella ki kajir movement cause is hair like outgrowth of the cell membrane responsible for cell movement. And cell membrane ki chilo ne and dinde nana dinde chiyongena outgrowths chiyongena. This is called flagella and this is responsible for cell movement. Diki cell movement la robochi rele. They are covered with plasma membranes. The chilo the plasma membrane. Cilia the correct tum chere plasma membrane ki tum flagella the plasma membrane ki tum yore. And nang chilo la almost covered the plasma membrane ina nanglos to dila kalagre exonymal possess a number of microtubules running parallel to the long axis. Long axis ne dus nana ro kogoda the axis ki thala kariyona microtubules in this parallel tissue microtubule in this parallel district the microtubules ma vishurel. Exonema usually has 9 pairs of duplet of radial arranged peripheral microtubules. Microtubules kariyolana exonema dinala kariyolana microtubule chilola microtubules and duplet chine ni chikyo kuyorela ni chikyo kuyolan de chilochto peripheral la microtubules ni chikyo duplet chikyo pair 9 pairs yore data check ni sum shi nga tru tin ke kuda 9 pair of duplets of radially arranged peripheral microtubules. Chilola microtubule radial arranged chikyo ki pair ni chikyo kuyurela. This Dishasa. And dinene kariyolana a pair of centrally located microtubules. Ane ya chachik ni minde kimala ane pair churela microtubule pair. Such an arrangement of exonemal microtubule is referred to as 9+2 array. 9+2 array dig arrangements the microtubule exonemal ke microtubule ke arrangements tila khallegilana 9+2 legirela. 9+2 lan kalore chilola pair kuyore kimala pair chikda. And so 9+2 array. Center tubules are connected by bridge and it is also enclosed by central sheet. The pair chikda chachda. The central microtubule the korangi kare connect chishore bridge ki connect chishore. And kosu ki tum share central sheet ki tum share. Which is connected to one of the tubules of each peripheral duplet by radial spoke. The kalore tadi sheath churo di kharal connect chirlana duplet yuro 9 pairs of duplet microtubules are dinene ko pair chig yoro cha ching kugi chik ani di sheath di la connect chir readily connect chigyo di dos connect chir di connect chigyo di center ki sheath di da central sheath di da di ki pair chigi ani cha chig da ya chig del connect chigyo sta di connect chigen di da di sheath ni connect chigen di la kalagilana radial spokes le. Thus there is how many radial spoke? 9 radial spoke. Radial spoke kazore kuyur. De kodang ko ni kola jujen ko connect chida chik ni sum shi nga truk tin ke ku. 9 pairs of peripheral microtubules tukala ani this kola connection kazo gorena pair chigla spoke radial ki radial spoke radial connection central radial spoke kuyur. And peripheral doublets are also interconnected by lingers. Peripheral doublet da korangi chachik da cha and di cha yang connection suk chirlana lingers ki connect chirel dikema lingers da de lingers dikema lingers chirel both the cilium and flagellums emerge from central-like structures called basal body. Cilia ta flagella nicha and the central ni ki kawan tengyo basal body ne tengyo. So this is about the internal structure of flagella. Right. So the next is centrosome. And the centrosome the correct sugyo lana central ni sugyo. So central ni lana color. Usually contain two cylindrical structures. The cylindrical structure chik de da cylindrical structure chik de da perpendicular chik. This cylindrical structure then this cylindrical structure ni nyam do tomna cylindrical structure de la kalagre central leg. This cylindrical structure dida this cylindrical structure ni nyam do tomne de la kalagre centrosome leg. And the correct surround cheshulana amorphous pericentral material matrix da amorphous pericentral matrix ki surround chair. So total kariyolana central ni perpendicular chene ane the amorphous pericentral matrix ki tumshena this structure kangzan dil khalagilana centrosome legre. Both centrals lie perpendicular to each other. Centrosome nal kar central ni do and the central ni cha kariyole cylindricals of the cylinder ni cha central ni cha they are perpendicular to each other. This central down this central ni perpendicular to each other. When the two central perpendicular to each other and surrounded by the amorphous pericentral material and this structure is called as centrosome. This is na doxine centrosome like doxine yore. Go to the so the next is a central. That is centrosome lana central ni kisugyo ba. Central lana kare cylindrical structure. Central layer. So when we look at the internal structure of the central and central ki internal structure dan dindishu. Each central has a organization like cartwheel. Central chick manjta bina central digi the structure chura organization cartwheel do lang koluto. They are made up of 9 evenly spaced peripheral fibers of tubulin proteins. Dike kharik sugyo lana dinde sum tigyo ki kur sulachu tubulin protein sum yam tigne surla de 9 peripheral fiber of tubulin proteins. Tubular proteins mean the tubulin protein dinde sum chilola sum yam do tom chine dinde ku chilola dogs tene sugyor. Di ku chilola te ane kimala central yungro. Each of the peripheral fiber is tubulate. Chilola yugyogi tubulin proteins da sum kare kuyor la sa kuyo ku dige changma kare yorla na changma kare sum yam der de chigni sum kunyam da sum yam chigyo dinde surla kare tubulin proteins ka jore kuyore la sum yam da tige ku. Adjacent tubulates are also linked. Adjacent tubulate and tejin di imba dubulate imba tejin on the filament ka do flagella ka do yo ni nyam yo and ni di and adjacent duplet ki chargen di lingers ba and the tuplets da the tuplet adjacent tuplet ni di chargen di so la na link chi the link chi the kare lingers le central parts of the proximal regions of the centrosome is also proteinaceous and is called as hub and the kimash to di karere tubulin protein sumnyam do tigne peripheral protein kucha ro sumnyam do tigne peripheral protein kur ani kima dia proteins re central ki kima dia proteins re kima dil kalre hubs re which is connects with the tubules of the peripheral tublet by radial spokes metaboprotein and in this central the connect chire peripheral protein la connect chire and peripheral protein la connect jeno protein ki sogyo ki karse de radial spoke chi tegi chip chi radial spoke ki connect chi half the central chura half the peripheral tubulin proteins la connect chi dia correct connect chire radial spoke chi and the radial spoke is a made up of proteins chaza central forms the basal body of cilia or flagella and spindle fibers that give rise to spindle apparatus during cell division in animal cell and the central the kharich form chilana filaments ta cilia la basal body ho and the form chigre and tanashin ki central ki kachigre spindle fibers and during the cell division kabdulta di changyur ro anjo chungmal lobje di changire and cell division kabdula polar region la an animal cell in a cell ki polar region dike la khar form chele spindle fiber lan form chig and spindle fiber the kawan tyong gore is formed from the central so central subunas animal cell na central yone pejo khari yona na cilia ta flagella ki basal body soil pejo ere and spindle fiber form chepi spindle fiber is very useful during the cell division in animal cell na cell division kalpe pejo chimbor chromosome movement chela pe pejo chimbo yele okay now next one is microbodies are membrane bound minute vesicles gochuda membrane ki tumgyo ki and small vesicles sac like structure rela subtle bubbles of the membrane circuit they contain various enzyme and are present in both plants and animal so microbody la di plants ta animal khonjuna la enzyme pe mangbu yure and this semjen da chishing ichak na la yure la so now in the microbody there's lots of microbody and here we are giving example of the microbody we are giving is peroxisome microbody di ngajo khate peroxisome detail microbodies are present in the cytoplasms of the cell so they are known as cytosome so microbody di ta peroxisome the microbody shemba dige cytoplasm na yo sonjang and the konjola karla gore cytosome ya la godel they are very small in size approximately 0.2 to 1.5 microns and can be seen under the electron microscope size pe chunju yorel and the electron microscope wal machine tontu mares and microbodies peroxisome dige biochemical reaction in the cell lega kariyona biochemical reaction nal involve chigre and thanashin konjunala enzyme angbu shudu kabla presence in the microbodies facilitate various chemical reaction various essential reaction mangbu chigla facilitate chig kodrela ropa chigre example breakdown of fats amino acids alcohols and is also involved in the photorespiration in the plant nala photorespiration doya chora diang and di doya dila and microbodies ki and ropa chigore la and photorespiration we consider as a wasteful process lower and that we learn in the photosynthesis detoxification of peroxides occurs in the microbodies the microbodies nala the peroxide into forms peroxide into cell nala peroxide ten sona detoxifies toxin me osela and the microbodies ki ropa chigre la that's all and thank you